Hey, welcome to What's the 811? I'm Jeff Johnson. I'm here at Rochester Municipal Park, and I'm going to try and see if I can get some people to tell me what they know about Miss Dig 811. I'm here at Rochester Municipal Park, and I'm here with Henning. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
And we're interviewing people about Miss Dig 811 today, and I want to ask you, why is it a good thing that people call Miss Dig 811?
Oh, to prevent the infrastructure to be damaged, the underground infrastructure.
That's absolutely right. So if you did some excavation, would you dial 811?
I would absolutely die.
Okay, let me ask you this big question. This is the hard one. What number do you dial to call Miss Dig 811?
811.
You would dial 811. That is correct. You got it. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.